We will learn about sources of EU law and features of those EU laws. There are three sources of EU laws. They are primary legislation, secondary legislation, supplementary or tertiary. Primary legislation. Main sources of primary law are the treaties establishing the EU. These treaties describe the power of EU institutions and the competency between EU and member states. These treaties are self-executing, that means they become law in a member state immediately upon the ratification by the state. Treaty on EU retained its title, but EC treaties were renamed as Treaty on Functioning of EU. TFEU contained articles on institution, procedure, and policies of the Union. Primary law also includes the amending EU treaties, protocol annexed to the founding treaties, Charter of Fundamental Rights. Secondary legislation. Article 288 TFEU states that EU institutions are responsible for making secondary legislations. These are known as legislative acts. There are two types of secondary legislation, such as legally binding acts and non-legally binding acts. Legally binding acts are regulations, directives, and decisions. Non-legally binding acts are recommendations and opinions. Regulations. Regulations are the most powerful secondary legislation. Reason is they are the only directly applicable secondary law. That means regulations will apply to the national legal system without the need of further legislation nationally. EU passes regulations to achieve a uniform application of EU law within entire EU. They are directly effective too. That means any EU citizen can rely on any EU regulation in his own national court to safeguard his rights. But direct effect is available only if the Vangeon criteria is satisfied. Directives only direct member states. It will set out a legislative goal that all EU member states should achieve. However, member states are given a choice as to how to achieve their legislative goal with a time limit. Directives are therefore only binding on member states and not on citizens until it is nationally implemented. This means directives are not directly applicable, but they can have vertical direct effects subject to conditions. Decisions are the third type of binding secondary legislations. They are binding on those to whom it is addressed. Therefore, can consider that they are directly applicable on to whom it is addressed to. They can address EU member states or an individual company. Direct effect is available both vertically and horizontally for decisions subject to Vangeon criteria. Recommendations and opinions are non-binding legal act in EU. Recommendations allow EU institutions to make their view known and suggest an actions, but without imposing any legal obligation. Opinion allow EU institutions to make a non-binding statement. Though they are not binding, they are persuasive. Supplementary legislation means unwritten sources of EU law. These are mainly used by CJEU when primary and secondary legislations do not settle the issue. Supplementary legislations are of three kinds: Case law of CJEU, International Agreements, General Principles of EU law. Case law of CJEU means the law created through interpreting EU law, especially when there are gaps between primary and/or secondary laws. These decisions are binding on EU institutions and member states. Doctrine of direct effect, supremacy of EU law, and state liability are few doctrines which was developed through case law of CJEU. International agreements are the agreements concluded by the EU and EU countries. CJEU used this agreement when developing its case law if they are not compatible with the structure of EU. General principles are principles recognized by CJEU when there are gaps in the treaties. These principles are derived from international agreements or constitutional traditions common to all the member states or specific member states. Example, fundamental human rights developed as a general principle in EU initially. Further, proportionality, equality, subsidiarity, legal certainty, non-retroactivity also can be identified as general principle of EU.
Hope my video was helpful, and I thank my current student Tilaksha for assisting me to make this video a success. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.